So in this video, we'll be showing you how to make ordinary copper pennies into gold and silver colored pennies, which is actually just zinc plating for the silver colored pennies and making basically brass for the gold colored pennies. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is make a sodium hydroxide solution, which is shown here, and just simply adding household lye to about 100 milliliters of distilled water, and then stirring to make sure it's all dissolved. So the next thing you're going to have to do is add a couple grams of zinc to the sodium hydroxide solution, and then give it about a minute or two to just kind of settle out at the bottom. Once most of the zinc is settled out at the bottom, just begin to add the pennies, but make sure to be careful because if it splashes on your hands, there's sodium hydroxide on it, which is very caustic, so be careful. Place your solution containing the pennies onto your heat source and heat for about 3 minutes. What's happening is the copper and zinc are reacting, producing zinc ions in solution. The zinc ions in solution are being reduced on the surface of the penny, inflating the penny in zinc, giving it the silver appearance. Here's an even closer look of the reaction occurring. So after about 3 minutes, I took the pennies out of the solution and washed them off with some water, and they appear this nice shiny silver color. The next step is to heat the pennies to diffuse the zinc into the copper to create brass, which will give the penny the appearance of being gold. You don't have to use a torch, it was just what was easiest for me. Any open flame or even a hot plate will work. Be sure not to overheat, however, or it will return to a copper color. Here's what the pennies look like after given time to cool. So here are the different pennies, the first being the copper plated penny we started with, the second being the penny plated in zinc, and the third being the brass penny. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more upcoming videos.